Have you ever checked your kid's cup for mold? You put them through the dishwasher, but they really aren't getting the thorough clean that they need. Just look at this piece. It just came out of the dishwasher, but it is still filthy. To get them clean, put them into a cup of vinegar. Soak all the pieces to make sure that it is targeting that mold. Make sure that then rinse and scrub with warm soapy water. Extra bonus is a bristle brush or a bottle brush so you can get into all those crevices. Clean the straw part 2 and dry thoroughly.